Hello everyone. So, anxiety, stress, depressions, I guess, is something that comes quite a lot in our modern life. It is possible that some of the cause of anxiety is very deeply rooted. It could be even hidden or sometimes even camouflaged. And this could be like many, I think, psychologists. I mean, I don't know much about psychology, but I think many psychologists talks about this could be what has happened during the childhood. And that is very possible because our childhood has been a very, very long one. And as many of you may remember, when we were a child, a day is almost like a month. It doesn't go that fast. And we have been pushed and pulled to this strange world of adults. So many wire in our head. So many. So some of these wires may be so messy and become so chaotic, really totally, organizing maybe not possible. And actually maybe even not necessary, to really, like organizing everything is not really necessary. But as I'm sure by now, I'm a Buddhist. So for a Buddhist, we say something that the psychologists or psychiatrists don't say. We talk about cause and conditions that may not necessarily just beginning from the childhood, even before that, past lives. So past life wiring gone messy. I don't think Mr. Freud or Mr. Jung or these people, they talk these things. Anyway, because of all this messy wiring, because of that, there's a lot of symptoms. And one of the symptoms, maybe one really kind of a vicious one, is a self-hatred. Probably too strong word, but let's use the word self-hatred. And or something like a lack of confidence. This self-hatred, lack of confidence, low self-esteem can come from many different cause and conditions, such as we spoke yesterday, references, education. And it doesn't matter where you come from. You may be brought up in a sort of a Chinese society where collectivism is more cherished, or you may be brought up somewhere in the West where maybe you're a Westerner who is brought up in a Western condition where individualism is cherished, or maybe you are from Hong Kong where there is a part of your brain wiring which is a sort of a Chinese Confucius collectivism wiring, which is also challenged by colonial individualism wiring mess. It doesn't matter. Either way, you will feel like, do I deserve to exist? Of course, coming from a different angle, same question. Do I mean something to him, her, society? I don't know, all kinds of things. So then nowadays people talk about how one should love yourself, self-love, love, have compassion towards yourself, love yourself, all of that. Now, in the dhyana practice, which comes from the Buddha, hating oneself is a wiring. As well, trying to love oneself is also wiring. Already so much messy wiring, right? So let's let's not make it more messy. Let's not add more wiring. So what do? Nothing. Just be aware. The act of just being aware. If you really want to organize your messy wiring system, this is the best way. And this is the cheapest way. I'm not, you don't spend nothing. Okay, maybe 5 minutes. Time is money, right? Especially for Hong Kong people. But I assure you, if you do 5 minutes of just observing your body and your mind, next time when you walk into an elevator with a full of people, you will not exude this insecurity. Your eyes will not go right and left. You will be free from the burden of needing to impress others. Okay, today, let us observe 5 minutes straight. You can do body, breathing, feeling, or your thoughts, or all of them. Okay, let's start. Okay. So that's the end of the 5 minutes.